What on earth's the matter, Whistler?
It's the great white stag. He's dead.
Oh, no.
If that wasn't bad enough, our noble friend and protector was soon replaced by a tyrant.
Oh, you're not...
I am Trey.
There was worse to come. Owl deserted us after being deeply insulted by Weasel.
I've had enough. I'm leaving.
And then Weasel announced she was expecting babies and was also going to leave White Deer Park.
Forever? Oh...
Can't stop, friendly. We're having a race.
I'm fastest!
After her. Go on. Come on, Pluckhead! Well, well now, Trey. What a delightful surprise. I don't think we met since you became leader of the herd. Congratulations. And a good morning to you, too.
It's not a good morning. In fact, my whole day is ruined.
Oh, poor dear. And why's that?
I've seen a weasel.
Couldn't have. Weasel and Measley left White Deer Park months ago.
I mean you. You're a weasel.
I'm a weasel?
I'm glad you admit it.
Does a weasel have a bushy tail like this one?
As far as I'm concerned, anything that isn't a white deer is a weasel. That makes you a weasel.
Don't do that. I don't like it.
What's this place called, White Deer Park. That means it's the home of white deer, not weasels like you and your Farthing Wood friends.
I was born in this park. So were lots of the others. We've as much right here as you.
Don't you argue with me, you foxy weasel. This is my park. You do as I say, or I'll clear you all out.
What's the trouble? It's all my fault. I'm a weasel.
Watch it, mate!
Whistler, you need some landing practice.
I do apologize. I was flying along, and suddenly I heard the most terrible roar.
That was Trey losing his temper again.
It quite befuddled me. Well, actually, I've been out of the park looking for Owl. I can't find her anywhere.
Well, you just have to try harder. Things aren't the same around here without Owl's pompous face blinking down on us.
You're all right, matey. You found yourself a new friend.
That's none of your business.
You'll be adding up errors soon, I reckons.
Sinuous. Shall I deal with that odious creature? Or shall you?
There!
Have you spoken to any other owls? Male owls?
Oh, 6 or 8, but none had seen her.
She may have gone far, far away, looking for a mate.
Oh, that's what she's up to. Well, I hope she's as lucky as I was.
And me.
And me.
I knew this place. Of course. We passed through here on our famous journey to White Deer Park. Good afternoon. Is that addressed to me personally as Chief Bat, or is it a general remark directed at all of us bats? Either way, I don't care a hoot. It says it doesn't care a hoot.
Doesn't care a hoot.
Doesn't care a hoot.
You don't mind me sharing your belfry? Of course you don't. Actually, I was looking for another owl. It's looking for a mate.
Looking for a mate.
A mate.
I'll find her a mate. No, thank you.
She'll not be long. I'm Chief Bat till she gets back. You can talk to me now.
I find it very hard to talk to anyone when they're upside down.
Of course I'm upside down. I'm a bat.
That's your problem, not mine.
I am insulted. She's insulted.
She's insulted.
She's insulted.
I'll tell her that you insulted me when she gets back.
Perhaps if I told you a story, we could all drift quietly off to sleep.
Go on then. Better not be boring.
Not boring.
Well, this story, you see, is all about when I and Fox and the other Farthing Wood animals made our famous journey from Farthing Wood to White Deer Park.
Boring.
Boring.
It was on that journey, I should say, that Fox met his mate, Vixen, and...
Boring. Boring.
No bats in it.
Boring.
Well! There you are, then. And what do you call this?
Hello, dear.
Ugh! I know it's not an owl as such, but it's a bird of some sort, isn't it? It'll do you.
Blustering night, wasn't it?
Blustery, yes.
Plenty of mice about this morning there. I caught 16.
16? My.
If I'd known you were here, I'd have saved you one.
How very kind.
Just visiting.
Flying through, yes.
I expect when you dry off, you don't look quite so weather-beaten.
No, as you say, a blustery night, I usually look much better.
Ooh.
Oh, this is my, mate. Would you believe it? I caught 16.
I caught 24.
I'd better catch a few more then. Nice meeting you.
24, you say?
24?
And I thought 16 was good.
He's very handsome, isn't he?
Who?
You know who?
Him? Oh, yes. An excellent specimen, I'm sure.
Looking for a mate, are you?
Me?
I know the look.
Well, if you must know, yes, I am.
Across the human road. Keep on going. Fly over a river. Keep on going. Over a field or two, and there's a copse full of male owls.
Really?
One in every other tree.
Thank you for the tip.
Delighted to be of assistance.
Well, I mustn't dally. Lovely chat. Goodbye.
You'll never find one as handsome as him.
When suddenly, there he was, saying, "No grazing for the likes of me. The grass is for the deer to eat and walk on," he says, "and for no one else."
He's nuts! Nuts!
Mad as a March hare. Oh, sorry, Leverett.
Hello, mateys. Again, is he?
Keep off the grass, he says. No grazing except for the deer.
Mad as a March hare, that one. But them there rats are much worse.
Much worse.
Down by the broken fence, I saw one. "Morning, matey," I says. All by himself, I thought. But then I saw lots more in the shadows. Hundreds, I reckons.
I don't like them. Oh, no, I don't.
Adder's gone to the hollow to fetch Fox. He'll sort 'em out.
Fox is all very well, but he's not a weasel, is he? Or an owl. They'd soon get rid of them.
Yeah, well, I mean... What,
Please listen, Fox, please.
All right, one at a time. Mossy, what's the trouble?
I don't like them.
Like who?
Rats! I seen lots of 'em, didn't I, mateys? Down by the broken fence.
There are 5 of them. I counted them myself yesterday.
No, there's plenty more than that.
I counted 10 on my way to the hollow.
I don't like them.
Perhaps you counted the same rats twice.
I don't make mistakes.
Come on, Fox, I'll show you. Mateys, it's me again. Hello! They were here. They were.
I can smell them.
Yes, perhaps. But how many?
Millions.
What we need is those weasels. They'll fix 'em.
Weasel will have had her young by now. Poor little things.
Not so little by now.
White Deer Park would be a much safer place for young weasels than the outside world.
And we'd all be much safer in White Deer Park if they were here with us. Couldn't we find them and bring them back? Eh, mateys?
I don't like rats.
I don't like weasels.
You hear all that? Every word. What did they say?
Who am I?
Bolly, Bolly, Bolly!
Bully, bully, bully!
That's right. I want your report. All the relevant details. Come on.
Shall I start by telling you about the weasels?
Wee!
Oh, this is the life. Home sweet home. Measly!
Morning, Weasel.
Where are they?
I was just finding them.
You measly twerp! You've lost them again! What sort of a father are you? Honk! Honk! Fido! Cleo! Is this how you bring them up? Allowing that silly goose to teach them how to be silly geese? Why don't you teach them how to be weasels?
I failed. As a father. As a weasel. Oh.
Look how fat those goslings are. But my poor little weasels, they're skinny, starving, and it's all your fault.
I'll teach them how to be weasels, and I'll fill their bellies. You'll see.
Ha! Ha!
Honk!
Now, we're all weasels. And this morning, we are going to learn about mischief and disruption. Shh. Oh, no.
We've been playing weasels. Much better than being a gosling.
I enjoyed being a weasel.
Go find some mice in the barn.
Honk. 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 I'll have no more of that, see? Geese honk, see? Weasels weasel, see? I've been delegated by the farmyard as a whole, see, to inform you that there's a meeting in the pigsty right away, see? A meeting concerning you weasels and your presence in this here farmyard, see? So follow me. Honk!
A meeting held specially in our honour. How friendly. So nice of you all to invite us here. This is my husband, Measley, my young, Fido and Cleo. I believe we have all met. Aren't you fat?
Though I've got prizes for it. Anyway, we're not here to talk about me. I'm sure we could spend the rest of our lives talking about me and enjoying every minute of it, but we are here assembled to talk about you.
And your behaviour, see?
Behavior.
Oh, I see. Complaints, is it?
As if you two big, horrible weasels were bad enough. Those two little ones have ruined our peace and quiet.
They're only doing what comes naturally. My husband is teaching them how to be weasels. Lessons in mischief and disruption, of course, are essential to their education.
We are giving you notice to quit.
He says quit, see? I says quit, see?
Cheek! You deal with them.
There's no point in staying where we're not welcome.
That's right, see?
We'd better go.
But my little ones, they were born here. Get out. Go away.
Come on, Weasel. Fido. Cleo.
Well done. Brilliantly handled.
We'll be all right. I'll look after you all.
That's what I'm worried about.
Where are we going?
I'll tell you when we get there.